This is called Aronai, a community, very cultured community of India, Northeast India. They are Boru community. They use this piece of cloth as a symbol of love and respect. It is a purely handloom. And earlier, during the days of wars, they used to use this as a belt. But now, after in present century, they use it as a skirt. So it's hand woven. And earlier during the wars, the women had to weave it overnight and to present to their spouses. So now there is no more. They may take 3-4 days. So, but thing is that this Aronai of our Boru community is hand woven, and for the last centuries we are considering it to be a symbol of love and affection. So I seek the permission of His Excellency, the President, to present it to you, and the Governor, and our Vice President and Speaker. So may I?
Of course. Yes.
Excellencies, as the Honorable Minister is saying to start, we will give him a round of applause.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. And this is Gamosa. That was Aronai. This is Gamosa, Excellency. So I'm really honored. So thank you. And I have brought it from India.
Yes.
The last one is Gamosa. It's common for all the communities of Assam. So thank you. And thank you, sir.
Thank you.